Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Ghidra 11.2, that is the latest version on Kali Linux 2024. Verify whether we have any Ghidra. See, we don't have any Ghidra. Open any web browser, then go to google.com, then search for Ghidra. Hit enter. See, ghidra.sre.org. Okay, click on it. See here, Ghidra is a software reverse engineering suite for tools developed by NSA's Research Directorate in support of cybersecurity mission. Okay, if you scroll down, see here, this is for downloading and this is installation guide. So right click on it, open link in new tab. Then see here, the latest version at the time of making is 11.2.1. Okay, so download this zip file. Click on download. See, download started and its size is 405 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Meantime, go to Ghidra site and click on installation guide. Click on minimum requirements. See, we must have hardware 4 gigabytes of RAM and 1 GB storage space free. And supported software versions are Java 21. Okay, and Python 3.9 to 3.12. Okay, open terminal and verify. Python 3, hit enter. See, we have Python 3.12. Okay, this prerequisite match. Then check for the Java version. Ctrl G to quit Java version. See, by default OpenJDK 21 is installed. If it is not installed, then click on this Adaptium Temurin. Click on it. Then select Linux, then architecture x86, then package JDK. See, we have to download this one. Okay, first we will try with the default one. If it won't work, then I will show you how to download and configure this one. Or you can go to here, go back. Once you download Java version, see, on Linux, see, these are the steps that needs to be performed. Okay, to configure the Java JDK 21. Okay, see, here download is completed. Go to downloads, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the zip file. Ctrl L ls. We have to unzip this file. Give the unzip, then give the Ghidra file name. Give the tab to autofill and hit enter. See, unzip is successful. ls. See, here we have the Ghidra extracted directory. Go to that, cd Ghidra, give the tab, hit enter, ls, Ctrl L, ls. See, here we have the Ghidra run file. So give /Ghidra run, give the tab and hit enter. See, now it is asking enter the path to Java home directory. So hit enter. Java JDK home directory. So Ctrl C, click on minimal requirements, then click on Adaptium Temurin, click on it, then download it. Linux, then x86, then JDK, then 21 LTS, and click on this tar.zip file. Click on it. See, download started and its size is 197 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Go to this directory, show in folder. Let me maximize it. See, download is completed. Ctrl L, ls, go up, ls. See, here we have the OpenJDK. Extract it, tar xvf, then give the OpenJDK, give the tab, hit enter. Extraction completed. Ctrl L, ls. See, here we have the JDK directory. cd, go to downloads directory, ls. Now go to this Ghidra directory, ls. Now run the /Ghidra run. Hit enter. Now hit enter. Now select the path where you have this downloadable file. Downloads. Then select this extracted directory. Then click on open. Then click on I agree. See, now we opened Ghidra. See, this is help file. Let me close. See, this is the Ghidra application. Maximize it. You want to verify the version? Click on help and get about Ghidra. See, we have Ghidra version 11.2.1. And also see here the options: open, new project, open project, delete project, etc. Edit project, tools, help, etc. options are there. Okay. ls go up, setup is success. ls these two zip files are not required, so I am removing Ghidra underscore dot zip file and open jdk gzip file. ls see here we have the both the files. Okay, so if we close it again, if you want open Ghidra, go to this Ghidra directory, ls, then run the /Ghidra run. This time it is not asking. Okay, see, we got the Ghidra application. So in this video we have seen how to set up Ghidra 11.2.1 application on Kali Linux 2020.4 version. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.